Yes. Hello, friend. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, today we will start our topic about house price predictions. So, now I am waiting for you all that you will all come. Then I will start doing project. Hello. Hello. I am waiting for more people. That more people will come. Then I will start doing. I am waiting for more people. That more people will come. Then I will start doing. I am waiting for more people. That more people will come. Then I will start doing. Okay friends, so let's start. So now we start importing our things. So firstly we will import numpy as mp, then we will import panda as pd. Seaborn we also using to plotting data like Matplotlib, and Seaborn has more type of data, so that's plotting, so that's why we're using Seaborn, and also we will use I forgot to import Matplotlib. So let's also import OS to check our directory. Print OS dot list of directory. I have data, so we can run this and check. Okay, we have data, so we are starting putting train dot pd dot csv data dot train csv index column is equal to id. Same we will do with test. And we will run this. Then train dot save test dot save, that will show only test dot save. So we will do like this, then it will also show train dot save. Now info train dot info, this is our info. Train dot head train dot tail first 5 row auto, it will be first 5 row will be last 5 row. So now we will check column. We have this all columns list. Yes. Now we will start doing. Okay, one more thing. Now we will start doing. Describe, and one more thing, describe, but we will do with one more thing. Print dot describe dot transpose. If we will use transpose, they will alternate with these all columns will come in row and these all row will come on columns. So let's do this. Yeah, see. So now be going for selecting numerical and categorical feature. Numpy is equal to train dot select data types include numpy dot number. Now we will do with category. Object print yeah. Hi friends, I am explaining once again. So today we are going to do our house price prediction. Okay, so I will also explain you about Python. So now firstly we import our libraries to use our Pandas to implement our data in data science to project. So for NumPy we using basically NumPy for using our doing our arrays and do something quickly fast, because in NumPy we can do something faster than like in list and tuple and like these all these things. So okay, so it's in if you know basics of Python, you can start with to doing data science course. So we will use here basics Python, not like advanced Python. So it's a basic Python. You all can understand this Python. It's not like hard Python. So I will explain you also with Python and everything that you can understand. So here firstly be importing our data, like this is okay. I also mentioned here this for plotting data, for reading file, for reading files, example pd dot read csv, file name, and this is for using yeah. So I this so now here we implement our data. So firstly we took a trained and a test. We have one trained data and we have one test data. So we firstly read our trained data and test data using Panda that I implemented here. So we use this, then we read this file, then we see shape of this file, like we have that much rows and that much column, and here is that much and that much. Then we see info of our data here, and we can also take info of test.info, but it will print out only test of info. Train info will not print out. So after this we go to see our data that we implemented. So this head will give a output of first 5 row output, and the train tail will give the last 5 row of output. And columns, we use columns to see our column. So train dot columns, that we see that much columns we have inside our data. You can see ms subclass, ms zoning, lot frozen, lot area, street, la, lot shape, land control, like these all datas direct we using this house. And here we describe our data set. If we will take this describe only, these all that row we have now, this will go in column. If we will use transpose this, just we will transpose to these all columns to come in row, and this all row before that. Okay, once more, control S, control V, and run this. See, these all is in column here. If we use transpose, these all came in row. So that's why we use transpose, and basically, and here we using selecting numerical and categorical feature. So now we printing out our numerical features, and here we don't need, like, I will not use like advanced Python. I will just use a I will use in later Python, but here we don't need to use like advanced Python. We can use a simple Python for all these things. Categorical. Ah. Yeah, here is the numerical features, and here is the categorical feature. So see, we have all these all data is in numerical, like integer value, and these all data we have in object value. So now we can plot something. Target analyze. Plot.f figure fix size 12 7 12 10. Now we using Seaborn to using our plotting data, and this is called this plot. Train sale price fit norm, and okay, one more thing, color green. Test plot. Name norm is not defined. Oh, fit norm, not feed norm. Okay, leave it this. Yeah, it's saying this. Okay. Now train dot price dot describe transpose. To reduce the skewness, we will take a log price. So run this. Plot dot figure, we can copy from here. Transpose be used for, as I explained you, transpose be used for alternate our column into row and row into column. Like here we firstly this, like we describe here only. So these all value is in row column, sorry, and if use here be transpose. Okay, here I if we here use transpose, these all row was this all column came in row and this all row came in column, so that's why we use transport to look better good. np.log train.sell price oh, okay, I missed one thing. We do print function that the output will be both the output is both null. I think there is a problem with null. Yeah, so see the differences between this map and this map. We here only use numpy log to make our data is in good shape, so it came here. I hate blue this color, so color will be green. Yeah, It's look good. Checking, now we will check correlation. So checking correlation. Train dots. Sort value. Okay, this is the firstly I want to show you one more thing about Jupyter notebook. Like a Jupyter notebook, like I putting headlines and these all things. So we can do one more thing like in Jupyter notebook. Yeah, this is a markdown, and this a markdown work like a HTML. Like you can write here HTML code and it will give you output. Like here we can put here p about we are doing house price, and here we can put a style, color is equal to purple, font size is equal to 3.5 em, font weight is equal to bold, text line is in center, and we run this. Okay, text align center. So these all work. So it's work like a HTML, and you can put here also a link file like, okay, this, and then a href www.github.com. Here you can also implement images, is like work like HTML. So I just wanted to show you this thing. And if you want to use here a header tag like a heading, so you have to do like this hatch is a h1, h2, h3, h4, h4, h5, h6. So like this. Okay, hello. If we remove this h5, it's like this. So this all is a basic of Jupyter notebook. So now we are going for list of highly correlated feature. Here we will visualize them and clean the outliers. So feature we will take, okay, one more thing I can do here, train dot columns, then features is equal to, we can take some data from here filter. Be taking these all columns from there, not from outside. Okay, we can take all data, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay, till here we can take, and we can put here. We take a lot of data, but okay, run this, and then we will implement this on a heat map. Train in place of columns, we will take this feature because we implemented our all columns, so be taking these features to correlation and notation is equal to true, line width is equal to 0.5, cmap is equal to helix, and we will also save this figure. Save fig, we can give name like hitmap.png and pick line. Plot is not defined. Yeah, we did wrong here. We should not put caps lock, we should put a small name, figure size. Unknown property line width. Now data visualization. Now we came on data visualization. Data so this is a complicated our heat map because we took here a lot of columns, that's why it's like this. If we will take less column, it will show less. So like I can show you, I can take only that much and that much I can delete, then run this and then run this. It's taking time. Yeah, see, now our heat map decreased because that time we have a lot of columns, so that's why we have like a very complicated heat map. But yeah, it was good. So we will do this. A night will take time to think. Oh yeah, forgot to run this. Now we will visualize data. Plotting regression plot. In the regression plot, like be using for like if we have to do something numerical value, then be using regression plot. So and this regression plot we can use in Seaborn. So that's why we're using Seaborn to implement our plotting our data, and Seaborn giving us good visualization type. So plot dot figure 1510 sns dot plot ground leaf area and sale price. Sale price, and our data will be train and color will be red, and this will show you regression plot. Invalid, yes, it's yeah, this is our regression plot. So now we will do with another train is equal to train dot drop train train area is less than 4000 and train dot sale price So now see, here we have 5000 and here we have 4000 because we deleted this. Okay friend, bye. I think nobody want to see this. Okay, bye.